This is a series where I collect every coughing and wheezing Pokemon card. My goal is to add 2 of every English card and 1 of every Japanese or specialty card. On this episode, we are adding the Band Slot Machine Trainer. This is different from the Arcade Machine Trainer, but if you look really close, and I mean really close, you can see coughing in the slot machine. Another crazy find by my brother, but a welcome addition to the binder. Now let's get into the giveaway card of the day. On this channel, we can only open up packs that have coughing or wheezing on them. I'm in a good mood because my brand new intro is almost ready. Being creative and problem solving is one of my favorite things to do. I ran into a few roadblocks, but I'm proud of the final product. It's a small change, but I think it'll bring a new audience to the channel. All that's left is for me to do a voiceover and it's ready for you guys. And today we're adding the Holo Gyarados to the binder. That's it for this episode. What are you master setting?